Hello, this is Caleb from Programtherm Tech. Today, I would like to recommend you one of our high-temperature laboratory tube furnace. Here is the model. It is a benchtop, horizontal, non-splittable tube furnace. It can be widely used in heat treatment industries such as lithium battery, new energy, graphene, ceramic, electron, chemicals, etc. Max working temperature up to 1700 Celsius degree. This furnace is mainly consists of 5 parts: the furnace body, processing tube, sealing flange, gas supplying system, and temperature controlling system. The steel shell is processed with pickling and first fitting, environment powder coating on the surface, good corrosion and oxidation resistance. The processing tube is supported by the steel frame and covered all around. And the tube end equips the first open sealing flange with good sealing performance, easy to install and convenient for material loading and unloading. On the other side, the sealing flange equips with a vacuum gauge needle valve gas connection port. The gas supplying device designed with gas inlet and outlet on side for gas feeding. The heating chamber built with Mitsubishi ceramic fiber material, single heating zone, heating length 300 mm, B-type thermocouple. The controlling system integrates ammeter, voltmeter, temperature controller, and buttons on the panel. Turn on the power switch. The temperature controller initializes and stands by. Press and hold on the run key with 3 seconds, then press the start button to run the furnace. For safety measures, the furnace will alarm when overheating, thermocouple breaking, etc. In addition to this recommended high-temperature tube furnace, we still have many other tube furnace models with various heating zones, such as CVD, vertical, hydrogen, rotating tube furnace, etc. So if any interests, please contact us. Thank you.